Tabby not working when you try to pay on Noon? Here's how to fix it quickly and check out without hassle. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you what to do if Tabby isn't working during checkout on Noon so you don't miss your purchase. Step 1. Double check that your Tabby account is active and not blocked. Open the Tabby app to confirm. Step 2. Make sure you're logged into the correct Noon account with a valid UAE phone number and shipping address. Step 3. Verify that your total cart amount is within your Tabby spending limit. If it's too high, the option won't appear. Step 4. Remove any items that are sold by third-party sellers. Tabby usually only works with items sold directly by Noon. Step 5. Try checking out through the Noon app instead of the website, or vice versa. Step 6. If Tabby still doesn't show up, update both your Noon and Tabby apps to the latest versions. Step 7. Clear your browser or app cache, then restart your phone and try again. Tip: some users report that switching to a different payment method first, then switching back to Tabby, refreshes the option. Still stuck? Contact Noon or Tabby support directly through their in-app chat. Like this fix? Drop a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more fast solutions. Thanks for watching.